Running your home is becoming less laborious with each passing day because you can make your life easier by having a smart home. Motorized curtains save time because you don't have to walk up to the window, and also you can choose the amount of light you want to enter your room. There are many products available to choose from, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best motorized curtains from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Koya Smart Curtains System. The Koya drapery system comes on top of the list because it has plenty of options for connecting it to your smart home setup using either the remote control provided or your phone. The curtain system is compatible with Google Home, Alexa, SmartThings, and can also be voice activated. They also touch sensitive with an auto detection feature and function with simply a wave or hands making a motion of either opening or closing the curtains. The Koya motorized curtain system is an ideal choice for the well-being of the elderly and disabled customers who may often struggle to close the blinds fully. Additionally, they can be linked to your smartphone hub, where you can create scenes and enable you to pre-program the system into your morning or evening routine. Koya motorized curtain also features a nice and quiet motor, so you don't have to be bothered with a loud sound. Positive side of this product, you can control them using voice commands. These electric drapes are easy to install and operate. Supports touch motion activation. Number 2. Home Supplier Smart Home Curtain Rod. Home Supplier Smart Home Rod is among the most efficient motorized curtains you will come across in the market today. These electric drapes are very durable and last for a couple of years with the best innovative features you can desire in smart shades, including compatibility with Google Home, Amazon Alexa, Smart Life. The electric drapes also feature a smart motor that can recall the exact position and distance you prefer, and they can also be operated manually if there's a blackout. This curtain system can automatically open or close with a gentle touch trigger, and it also can schedule a timer for closing and opening your curtains. Positive side of this product, the motor is smart and quiet. The remote control can set a timer for the automatic opening and closing of the curtains. Number 3. Ulax Motorized Zebra Blinds with Remote. Ulax motorized zebra curtains have become popular over the past years because not only are they made by gurus in the curtain smart industry, but also they are made from 100% quality polyester. These electric drapes provide a total blackout and close your curtains to block the sun's excess light and UV rays that might fade your furniture for total privacy and safety. Ulax motorized curtains use a quiet motor that is convenient for sleepers without loud noises and comes in a soft and silky fabric, and they are also available in vibrant colors. These smart operations don't need a hub and can be controlled using a remote control, Alexa, or mobile phone app. Positive side of this product, made from quality materials. The curtain system features an adjustable rod that can fit any window size. Quiet motors. Battery powered with a rechargeable battery, and you can also use a solar panel. Number 4. Curtain motor with DE tracks. The drapery system supports app control, remote control, voice control by Alexa Echo and Google Home smart speaker or Siri voice control. When you power the system on, you can pull by hand with 10 centimeters in case of power cut. You can operate the drapery system manually by hand. Besides, the system comes with all the mounting hardware you need to do without having any struggle. It has a stop function, where the motor stops when it meets an obstacle, to help protect the system intermediate position. Moreover, the motor will remember the close and open position, to help eliminate the need for resetting. These features make them ideal for the elderly and disabled people as they don't need to struggle with the operation. Positive side of this product, it has an obstacle stop function. Comes with all the mounting hardware for installation. Compatible with smart voice control systems. It comes with a user manual for easy operation. Features RF433 remote control. Number 5. Curtain Call Motorized Curtains. Curtain Call Motorized Curtains have to make it to the list because apart from adding some details to your atmosphere, they can operate 3 single curtains using one remote control and allows advanced decorations using a button only. They offer both convenience, elegance, and comfort with a flexible installation which can either be done on a ceiling or on a wall, with ceiling brackets being included in the order. The track supports a lot of weight, and it is suitable for heavy drapery while operating quietly at the same time. Positive side of this product. The curtain track is custom made to your specific order. Very durable and a great addition to your space. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.